So this is the chicken wing that I'm going to use, guys. I already washed the chicken wing, guys. So this is what I used to wash it, the lemon juice, guys. So wash your chicken wing. It's very important, guys, okay? So let me move this out of the way, guys. So guys, I'm gonna put like a teaspoon, guys, all right, of garlic powder on my chicken wing, guys. Okay, I'm gonna put like a teaspoon on my chicken wing, guys. All right, and this is the ginger powder that I'm gonna use. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna put like half a teaspoon. Okay, guys, and guys, I'm gonna put some chili powder. Okay, I'm gonna put like half a teaspoon. Okay, but guys, if you want to put a complete teaspoon, it's okay. And this is the Jamaican season salt, guys. Okay, I'm gonna put like a half a teaspoon. Okay, guys, and guys, this I'm gonna use to make my gravy. So I'm gonna show you how to use this. Okay, and this is the wing sauce that I'm going to use. Okay, and guys, this is my pigtail. This is Jamaican pigtail. I'm gonna use this to make my sauce too, guys. This is pork. All right, but if you don't want to use pork in your sauce, it's okay. All right, but pork give it a nice twist. Okay, so when this is how it looks, and then I boil it and cut it off. Okay, guys. All right, so now, guys, here is the chicken wing how it looks. And guys, you can put like a half a teaspoon of salt. All right, so just be careful with the salt. Okay, I'm gonna put some more chili powder. I'm gonna put maybe half a teaspoon more chili powder. Okay, so this is it, guys. So now I'm gonna fry it, guys. Okay, so this is it basically, guys. I'm gonna fry it. All right, so this is a chicken wing, guys. It's frying nicely. Okay, if you have a deep fry, you can go ahead and use a deep fry to fry it, or a regular pot. Okay, guys, so this is the chicken wing, guys. It's finished. All right, so now I'm gonna make the sauce now. Okay, so I'm making my sauce right now, guys. Okay, so this is my butter, guys. Okay, this is my butter for my sauce right now, guys. All right, and guys, that's my pigtail, guys. This is the pork. Alright. I'm gonna put my salt and ice. Okay, guys. This is the pork, guys. And I just turn it up on high, guys. Okay. So this is it, guys. I'm just gonna make this saute a bit with the pork, the butter, saute with the pork, because the pork already cooked, guys. I already cooked the pork, as I told you. I already cooked it. All right, and then cut it up and so on. This is pigtail. In our country we call it pigtail. All right, but if you want to buy the regular pork, fatty part, and just cook it and cut it up, you can go ahead and do that, guys. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now, guys, I'm just going to tip a little garlic in the pork, guys. That's all I'm going to do. Just tip a little garlic in the pork a little bit. Okay. Just a little tip, guys. Just a little tip. Just a little tip. Alright, guys. So that's it. Alright, guys. So guys, this is my sauce. This is my wing sauce, guys. Okay, so you just dump your wing sauce in it. Okay, you can use any wing sauce you would like to use, guys. Okay. And guys, you're gonna let this cook. All right, let it cook for about 3 or 4 minutes. All right. You want the pork cook with it a little bit. All right. I'm gonna put some more chili pepper. Okay, I'm gonna put some more chili pepper in it, put a little chili pepper in it, guys. Alright. So I'm gonna make it cook, guys. And guys, remember I told you about the mix, the Atwin mix. This is it, guys. That's the Atwin mix where I showed you before. Okay, so this is it, guys. I've just put in. And it looks so good. So I'm gonna make everything cook for about 3 or 4 minutes, guys. Okay? Alright, and then once it cooks, I'm gonna dump it over my chicken and do taste test for you. Okay? Alright. Okay, guys, so this is finished right now, guys. So right now I'm gonna take it off the stove, guys. Okay? I'm just gonna dump it in my bowl here, guys. Okay? Right here. Alright. So this is it, guys. Alright. So this is my delicious wings, guys. Alright. So look at this, have pork and everything. So guys, I'm gonna put this down for like 2 minutes to soak. Then I'm gonna do test taste for you, okay? For 2 minutes. Alright. Yes, guys, I'm finished. So this is my chicken wing, guys. Alright. This is my chicken wing with my pork sauce. Alright. Okay, guys, so right now I'm gonna do test taste for you, okay? Right? Guys, it tastes amazing. And it's spicy. It's a lot of flavor too, guys. Guys, you have to try this. Guys, it tastes good. It tastes really good, guys. But my mouth is on fire, guys. But guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. Alright, thank you so much for watching. God bless you.